Why do British judges still wear wigs? In a modern British courtroom, you'll still see something that looks a bit outdated. Long robes and wigs. White, curled, unmistakably old-fashioned. So why do judges and lawyers still wear them? It all started in the late 1600s, when powdered wigs became the fashion. They helped hide lice infestations and covered baldness caused by syphilis, which was common at the time. The legal profession followed suit, and over time, the wig became more than fashion. It became uniform. By the early 1800s, fashion had moved on, but courts didn't. Why? Because the wig had taken on symbolic value. In court, the wig, along with the robe, marks the lawyer or judge as performing a role. It signals that they speak not on their own behalf, but for the law or their client. It's meant to separate the person from the position. And it has a practical effect too. Wigs and robes standardize appearance, hiding personal style and reducing the impact of stereotypes or unconscious bias, at least in theory. In practice, wigs have their own limitations. They clash with certain hairstyles, such as afros, and can be incompatible with religious headwear, making lawyers from minority backgrounds stand out. The very opposite of what's intended. That's one reason the rules have been softening. Since 1995, wigs are no longer mandatory in many courts, but they're still seen as the norm, especially in criminal courtrooms. It's partly tradition, partly symbolism, and partly the belief that justice should not only be done, but also look the part.